Everyone, this is the Malhotrasons Punisher 45 ACP. We have two mags here. One of the mags is loaded with 5 cartridges, and we are going to then be loading the second magazine as well with FMJs and HPs.
A pistol from Signet Arms Compact. The pistol is completely made up of stainless steel. Comes with a 10-shot magazine. Fiber optic sights are provided for a better aiming, and it's a 3.2 caliber pistol. It's completely made up of stainless steel, very compact, easy to carry, and it weighs around 700 grams. So now coming to the shooting momento. With the optical sights, one can achieve good aiming with this pistol. A better accurate aim can be possible. Signet Arms 3.2 caliber bore pistol combat. Have Capricorn pistol with us. The pistol is completely made in India, and this is a .32 bore pistol. Comes with all the safety features and 2 magazines. The best part of this pistol is it's a double action. Comes with a price range of 2.20 lakhs.